Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2017 Ford F-250 Lariat in Oxford White. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, rear bumper parking sensors, heated seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, 40-20-40 split rear seats, 6.7-liter V8 turbo diesel engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3454A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.